we know that game ita wanzima. Some games you might concede, some games you might not concede, but then no matter concede, it's up to us to head up, continue remark, and then yes, it's a first of many, and kithabile gore ke tsetiona ke dlala Pirates. Firstly, ke rata go leboga defense for go lead today. We know gore dlala ko Pretoria today, and we're not playing home, so le bona ba very important ko game ya rona ke bona ba liftang, even though we concede, even though we win or we lose or we draw, but rona like njalo. So thank you ko bona.